What's up, YouTube? Welcome to J-Max Amateur Kitchen, and today we are making 3 of the best mojitos! Alright, we're doing 3 mojito recipes today. We got original, we got a strawberry mojito, and then we got a matcha for all you millennials. Camera girl couldn't make it today, but we got Cam J filling in for us. Wait, what are we making again? Mojitos, dude, we just went over it. Mojitos? Ain't nobody got lime for that. Okay, let's get these started. First thing we want to do is make our simple syrup, equal parts water and sugar. Let's go. We're just gonna make a small batch, so that's half a cup of water, half a cup of sugar. We're gonna cook that on low heat for about 5 minutes or until the sugar dissolves. All right, sugar's dissolved. Pour that into a glass. Cover with plastic wrap and fridge that up for at least an hour. Yeah, you can film while we're waiting, but you're not gonna do anything stupid though, right? No, I just want to give these guys some life lessons. All right, the life lesson being, mojitos, mo problems. I knew it. Let's start building this cocktail. We're gonna use half a lime for each mojito, but we want that lime in 4 pieces to get the best muddling results. So we're gonna cut that in half, cut those halves in half. So about 4 pieces will be enough for a mojito. And we're also gonna coin some for garnish. Bar view. All right. So we are gonna take our 4 lime pieces, or half of lime. We're gonna take some mint. We're gonna put about 10 leaves in there. We're gonna do 1 ounce of our simple syrup. And we're gonna lightly muddle this. You should only need to muddle it about 7 or 8 times. You don't wanna over muddle it, otherwise the mint gets bitter. We're gonna do 2 ounces of white rum. 1, 2. And we don't have crushed ice, but we're gonna use these little miniature cubettes that I got off of Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description if you want to pick them up. And we're gonna finish that off with some sparkling water. And stir that up. Throw a straw in there, garnish with a little bit of mint, and you can do a lime coin. And that's the original mojito. Oh, that's good. I mean, now we got the original, we can start riffing off of it. All right, let's start adding some different things. Next one, strawberry mojito. Take a strawberry, cut the top off, just cut that into quarters. Done. And here we are again. All right, strawberry mojito. Just as easy. Strawberry pieces. Same amount of lime. I'm gonna do 3 leaves of basil. Basil goes well with strawberry. And 10 mint leaves. 1 ounce of our simple syrup. Again, muddle only about 7 or 8 times. 2 ounces of our rum. 1, 2. Fill it up with our ice. Top that off with sparkling water. Stir that up. And top that off with some mint. A straw here, and a strawberry. And that's our strawberry mojito. Easy enough. And amazing. Last, and definitely most millennial, we got a matcha mojito. Oh, so we can do the matcha reina. Are you done? Can we get started? Yes. All right. All right, we got some high quality matcha. I'll throw a link in the description if you guys wanted to check it out. But what we're gonna do is, we are going to infuse a simple syrup with matcha. Second pot view. All right, so we're gonna start off with the same base. Half a cup of water, half a cup of sugar. We're gonna add a teaspoon of our matcha powder. I'm whisking this one to make sure that we break down all of the matcha powder. All right, sugar's dissolved. Transfer that to a container. Look how green! All right, we're just gonna put that in the fridge for an hour, just like we did the other one. Ow. Oh, match your hands. That's it, you gotta get them all out. I can tell you're suffering, let's go. Let's go. Wait, what's going on? You got 15 seconds to get all the matcha jokes out. All right, looks like we're a match made in heaven. I love you, this matcha. Oh shoot, my socks don't matcha. Move oolong. Nothing to tea here. All right, you feel better now? Yes, thank you. Let's make this thing. Started off the same way before. Limes, mint, but now we're using an ounce of our matcha simple syrup. Muddle, 2 ounces of rum, 1, 2. Awesome ice, sparkling water. Stir, mint, straw, and garnish with a little tea bag. And that's our Matcha Mojito. Mmm! Oh, that is awesome. And there it is. Mojitos are easy and they're amazing. Easy to riff off of too. Change the fruit, change the syrup, muddle around some ideas and let me know what you come up with. Comment below. For now, Cam J, I'm gonna let you wrap this up. Original Mojito, Strawberry Mojito, Matcha Mojito. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this, smash the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. Ding the little bell for notifications. We're gonna do a video every week. And just comment below and say what's up. And thank you guys for watching. Check out some of the other episodes.